Honey here. What is up? Today's video is going to be let's glow up, let's do our makeup post-quarantine. I don't know if y'all live in Canada, but we are in our second thingy of opening up things, places. I haven't done my makeup in a nice glammy way in a hot minute. Eyebrows are already done because I thought I was going into town. Didn't go into town. Don't want to take them off for this video because I'm lazy. So we're gonna keep the eyebrows. Let's get on to face. So we are going to wing this. It's gonna be kind of a tutorial. Didn't plan, but want to do a glam eye, but not really a chit chat, more of a tutorial video. Let's get started. So your homegirl, she needs concealer. She is breaking out quite a bit. Bum bum bum. Time to blend. Also, don't mind my hair. I know my hair is at a crazy wild level right now. Now that everything is blended in, I'm going to take my loose powder. I forgot what it's called. Okay, let's pack this on with this crusty and dusty beauty blender that I haven't washed in a very long time. I'm not going to say because you guys will judge me. We don't bake here, as you guys know, because I don't like it. So we're just gonna blend that in right away. Let's contour this face. Let's snatch it up. And then I like to take a fluffy brush and just blend that in a little bit more. My favorite part that makes a huge difference, I noticed in my nose, is contouring it. And I love contouring my nose. So how I do it is I take like a small tipped blending brush and I make kind of a V at the nose like this, and then I do a line on top like of the ball of my nose, if that makes sense, and then I take one right here and I just take the other side of this brush. This is definitely an eyeshadow brush, yes, don't judge me, and I just blend it. We're gonna take some blush. I'm using a Tarte one. I love blush, and we're just gonna do this little whoosh whoosh, whoosh. Great makeup skills, Sydney. A little bit on the nose. Now it's time for some highlighter. Y'all already know. Taking it on a very small brush, that same one that we contoured, and just putting a little dot there and a little swipe there. Now, of course, we gotta put that highlight right on those cheekbones. A little bit on the chin, a little bit on the temples. Our face is complete. My camera stopped working just to speed you guys up to date. It's time for the eyes. I just put a base on, took my concealer, the Instant Rewind Erase, put that all over the lids. I am going for a more sexier glam look today. I'm not going super hardcore glam. First, we're gonna start off with a base shadow. I'm gonna go in my Chocolate Bonbon palette from Too Faced. I'm gonna take Mocha, which is this really pretty medium taupe kind of color. And we're just going to take a fluffy blending brush and just smack that guy all over the crease. Now we are going to take Malted from the same palette, which is quite of a darker brown. So grab your darker brown color, grab your flatter shader brush. We're just going to pack that guy on right in the crease there, making it a little bit more of a concentrated line, and just blend it into that base color, little bits at a time. Now we're also going to just kind of swoop it in the lash line as well. Just going to be taking it halfway onto the lid, going in with that fluffy blending brush, taking a little bit of that mocha, that medium toned taupe color, and we're just gonna blend everything together. Now that we got both eyes matching, I'm going to go into Dark Truffle, which is kind of a frosty brown burgundy color. And I'm going to be taking a flat shader brush for this. And I'm just going to make this, again, a little more precise, just in that outer V. And then we're going to pick up that malted color, so that dark brown, on a big fluffy blending brush. And we are just going to blend everything together. Now for the inner corner, I'm going to take Molasses Chip, which is this kind of glittery, frosty, medium brown. We're going to be taking a flat shader brush and just packing that into the inner corner and making our way to the middle of the lid. Now it's time to do the under the eye. We're going to start with Dark Truffle. I'm just going to take this from the outer corner 2/3 of the way in. We got that all done. We are going to go in with Malted, and we're going to go halfway into 2/3 of the eye. For the inner corner part, we're actually going to take molasses chips. Just going to put that in the inner corner. Want to take a little bit of a fluffier blending brush, we can just blend them all together. Now to highlight the eye, we're going to go in with Satin Sheets Sheen Light Pink color, flopping that under the brow as well as the inner corner. This is the part that I don't want to do, so if you guys want to do this, you do you. You can line your eye in the water line as well as the tight line. I'm going to go take the famous liquid eyeliner, and we are going to make a slight little wing. My liner that I'm using is Essence. It's super cheap and it works super good. So what I like to do is I like to draw from the outer corner one line down, connecting it this way, filling it in. We're gonna bring it in halfway through the eyelid. I'm not gonna actually be putting on false lashes today. I actually hate them. I'm just gonna be simply curling the lashes and putting on a mascara. I really like this one. It's the Falsies from Maybelline. I'm sure you guys have all heard about it. And then apply the mascara. Now it is time for the lips. I am going to be taking NYX one in Sandstorm, and we're going to overline our lips, trying to get that Kylie Jenner look. Just like that, kind of, but not as messy. We're going in with Makeup Forever. It's a little tiny little lipstick. This is in C211. This is gorgeous kind of pinky brown color. Well guys, this is my glam glow up that I haven't actually done in a hot minute makeup look. I hope you guys enjoy it, but before we go, you know we gotta do a slow-mo montage. Let's get it. Alrighty guys, so this is the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. It was really fun. It was more of a tutorial, but kind of a get ready with me. So I hope you guys enjoyed both. It was really, really fun. I feel good. I feel pretty. Gonna go take some Instagram pics now. You know how it is. Let me know if you guys did like this video. I hope you did. If you did, give it a big thumbs up anyways, because you love me, right? Have an amazing morning, day, evening, afternoon, whatever time it is for you. We'll see you guys in the next video. Stay happy, stay positive. Bye.